So we're at the Dorsey booth right now, and we're checking out some of their additional items that they have here, and they've also got Stormproof, which is a line of gear for those emergency situations in your life, flashlights and different things. But I've got Todd here. Todd, you've got different kits, and you have one open here. These are survival kits. Let's just walk me through what these have, and then we'll look in the big one.
Yeah, definitely. So starting over here is it's a 130-piece first aid and survival kit. So it's more than just a first aid kit. It has paracord, thermal blanket, waterproof matches. So everything you want, it's got a flashlight in there. Everything you want to kind of, in case, grab and go, or if you want it in your home, your auto, or at the office. Something to keep you safe and be prepared for any disaster or emergency, even if it's a blackout, that sort of thing. And we've been seeing an increase in storms, activity, year over year. And as we move through there's a quick grab kit. This one, again, is first aid and survival. So a few different components in there, but in a zip-sealed kit that you can re-zip lock after you open it up. And you can add things, take things out, put new things in, which is nice about all these kits. Both of these are waterproof kits. Actually, all of our kits are waterproof. And then as we get down to our large one, this is our two-person, 72-hour waterproof survival kit. So it's going to prepare two people to survive any emergency for up to 72 hours. It's got your shelter, thermal blankets, emergency ponchos. It's got an emergency tent actually inside for shelter. And as you go through the components, this bag itself is a waterproof dry bag. Has a spout so you can put the iodine, the water purification tablets inside the bag and actually use this as a water container with the water purification tablets.
Sure.
Handle on it, backpack straps to turn this into a backpack when you're going. Burn gel. Also has the food and water that you need to survive for 72 hours, which the government recommends that you have for two people. So we have the food and water, some survival essentials, waterproof matches, duct tape, paracord. And then as you get to the bottom here, you got your first aid kit, everything in convenient bags, ice packs, ace bandages. There's actually hygiene toilet paper, lighting for emergencies. You got one that has batteries, a glow stick, flashlight, emergency signaling, emergency whistle, a hand flashlight. And then as you get down towards the bottom, you have the rest of your food to last 72 hours in addition to the last of the water that's in the bottom of the pack. So everything comes sealed up in a nice waterproof dry bag. You seal that up, and that thing's completely waterproof. You have the backpack straps, throw it on your back, and you go in case of an emergency.
And you said that this, of course, could be used as a water jug.
Yes.
And you mentioned tablets. What are the tablets included with this?
They are. So the water purification tablets as well. So if you run out of your purified drinking water, something like that, you can fill up the bag with water, and it's got a spout on the end there. You can use it. Since it's a waterproof bag, it'll hold the water inside.
Very nice. If people like to find out more information about any of the different stormproof gear products, where can they go and check those out?
For this kit, they can go to dorsey.com. We also have this kit's at Walmart right now. And then we have another kit on Costco.com. So all versions of the 72-hour survival kit.
With all the pieces that we have across the floor.
Exactly, yeah. They all have somewhat slightly different, but yeah, for the most part, all the same to survive 72 hours.
That sounds great. We'll put a link in the description below so you can go check this out and get some protection for your family.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.